When I was CEO at ThedaCare, one of my biggest headaches was the budget. The budget was simply a way to reset the expense targets every year. And when the revenues are going up, that's great. We can reset the expense targets higher. In today's world, the revenues are going down. We can't afford to reset expense targets anymore. That's why we moved away from a budgeting process to a rolling forecast targeting process, which is what we're going to describe to you in this video, because it's a much better way to manage financial performance, both from a system perspective and also at a departmental level.
Our goal with this video is to give you a general understanding of how finance can support, not impede, your health system's lean journey. To gain some perspective, we talked to Brian McGinnis, VP of Finance at ThedaCare, who manages the corporate quarterly forecast process. We also talked to David Cooke, former CFO at Park Nicollet Health. Several years ago, Park Nicollet made the decision to stop preparing their annual budget. David was instrumental in setting up the new quarterly forecasting process. We also spoke with Steve Player, who heads the Beyond Budgeting Roundtable in North America, to give you an introduction to the concept of eliminating the budget and the Beyond Budgeting principles. The primary reasons healthcare businesses have always done budgets are to set targets and incentives, allocate resources, and coordinate these financial plans with the rest of the business. With the major changes taking place in healthcare, it's nearly impossible for health systems to accurately predict annual revenues and expenses 6 months in advance of the start of the fiscal year. Budgets are static by nature. By eliminating the time spent creating budgets, organizations are finding they can still have accountability even with a more fluid approach. Open-minded organizations are now improving their financial process by isolating each of their planning activities and focusing on ways to improve each one. The Beyond Budgeting Roundtable has helped fuel a different way of thinking about budgets since 1997, with articles in several financial magazines.
It's not about better budgets. It's about moving beyond to a better way to plan, to control, and to move forward.
Organizations that are implementing a lean operating system are particularly impacted by the waste in their current budgeting process.
As they begin to adopt lean, they begin to understand that there's some problems with the traditional approaches in finance that actually not only don't help lean, they actually block it.